Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, and I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. This morning, we'll be taking a look at what has U.S. stock futures so down this morning, plus other exciting stock market news, what to expect in earnings reports this week, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed this morning's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Okay, let's dive right into this morning's exciting stock market news. Now, as I said before, U.S. stock futures are well into the red this morning. We had the Dow futures down 0.155%, S&P 500 futures down 1.3%, and NASDAQ futures down 1.1%. This decline in the market comes as investors are closely watching Chinese property developer Evergrande, who is said to have about $300 billion in liabilities, including some debt obligations that are due today, and is said that the company cannot pay. This would bring the group one critical step closer to failure. The debate is raging over how China should handle Evergrande. Should total liquidation happen, the spillover could be significant, but many believe that China will move to limit the contagion as the Evergrande group is considered too big to fail. Bitcoin is also feeling the pressure as the cryptocurrency has slumped over 6%, now trading in the low 44,000 range. Amazon revealed that more than 1 million people from over 170 countries applied for jobs at its virtual career day held on September 15th. Additionally, over 2,000 Amazon recruiters provided 30,000 free individual career coaching sessions to participants in that single day. Amazon is one of the biggest job creators in the U.S., and further, according to a recent study by LinkedIn, they're the highest ranked company where Americans wish to work and pursue their careers. The Amazon stock comes in as a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of nearly 22%. MasterCard is joining hands with Accenture and Salesforce to bolster its ability to measure and analyze carbon emissions across its value chain. The move is part of MasterCard's efforts to reduce absolute Scope 3 greenhouse gas emissions by 20% by 2025. With the help of Salesforce Sustainability Cloud, MasterCard will be able to collect information about the emissions of its suppliers. Thus, it'll be able to work more effectively with the organizations in its partner network to take meaningful climate action. MasterCard is one of the first global companies to use Sustainability Cloud to analyze the carbon footprint of its supply chain. The MasterCard stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 28%. JP Morgan is in the process of launching their first ever retail bank, as they're working on opening a digital-only bank in the UK under the Chase brand. Expansion into the UK has been in the works as part of a secret project codenamed Project Dynamo. The move is poised to strengthen competition in the UK's digital banking landscape, currently dominated by digital-only startups such as Monzo, Starling, and Revolut. The startups are increasingly poaching customers from traditional banks. The JP Morgan stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of about 8%. And Sorrento Therapeutics revealed impressive results from an independent real-world study looking at the detection of COVID-19 infections using their Covistix antigen rapid test. The study was aimed at evaluating the performance and validity of the Covistix rapid antigen test for the detection of COVID-19 in an unselected population and making meaningful comparisons with the PanBio rapid antigen test. For Covistix, sensitivity and specificity were 81 and 96% respectively, while the sensitivity of the PanBio comparator test was at 62%. Their higher Covistix sensitivity results imply fewer false negative findings. The Sorrento Therapeutics stock only has one analyst rating, but it is quite bullish with an upside of 215%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. Now, the earnings calendar is quite quiet this morning, but looking ahead at the week, on Tuesday, we're expecting to hear from Adobe, AutoZone, and FedEx. We'll be hearing from General Mills on Wednesday, and then Nike, Accenture, and Costco Wholesale on Thursday. So let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by the Smile Direct Club. Trading under the ticker SDC, they're currently up 7.4%. Followed by Mirati Therapeutics under MRTX, who's up over 6%. And Renew Energy Global under RNW, up 5.6%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by the Golden Ocean Group. Under the ticker GOGL, they're down over 12%, followed by ArcelorMittal under MT, who's down 8%, and Marathon Digital Holdings. The Mara stock is down 8.5%. So that'll be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Make sure you've checked out our 25,000 subscriber giveaway video to see if your name was selected as a winner of a TipRanks subscription or some TipRanks swag. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you back here next time.